If you've ever wanted to blow up on TikTok without filming, editing, or chasing trends all day, this might be the tool that finally makes that happen. Today, we're reviewing AI Toker, the new hands-free TikTok automation system that creates, posts, and even monetizes videos for you automatically. And yes, there's also a massive $43,000 bonus bundle waiting for you. Let's dive in. So what exactly is AI Toker? Think of it as your personal AI TikTok partner. It makes viral-style TikTok videos, edits them, finds trends, adds captions, schedules posts, and even handles monetization. It's perfect for beginners, affiliate marketers, faceless creators, agencies, or literally anyone who wants TikTok growth without putting in hours of work. Here are the features that really make AI Toker stand out. First, AI Viral Video Creator. In seconds, it generates trending, high-engagement TikTok videos. No camera, no voiceovers, no editing required. Second, one-click editing. Captions, transitions, music, effects, all done automatically. Videos look clean, polished, and ready to go viral. Third, Trend Hunter Plus Competitor Spy. It scans thousands of trending TikToks daily and shows you what will blow up next, 48 hours before it peaks. 4. Auto-posting system. Schedule or auto-post videos at the best times, even while you're asleep. Consistency equals growth. 5. Built-in monetization. Add affiliate links, CTAs, overlays, and hidden redirect links. Every video can generate revenue. 6. Unlimited videos plus multi-account support. Create and run multiple TikTok channels with no daily limits. Scale as big as you want. Pros. Fully automated TikTok creation plus posting. Beginner-friendly, no skills needed. Unlimited videos, multi-account support. Built-in monetization tools. One-time payment, no monthly fees. 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons. Early bird pricing won't last. Too many features if you only want simple posting. And here's the exciting part. When you grab AI Toker through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. This bonus pack alone is worth more than most courses. If you want hands-free TikTok growth, unlimited video creation, and a system that literally works for you 24/7, AI Toker is absolutely worth it. Click the link in the description to lock in the discount and claim your full $43,000 bonus bundle before it expires. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.